that goes towards the Rhino Arc. And also car number 35, which is driven by Mr. Mark Tilbury during the Rhino charge.
Nairobi United have declared their intention to be promoted to the Football Kenya Federation Premier League next season. United, who unveiled new head coach Nicholas Boyoti, is currently second the NSL standings on 31 points, just 1 point behind leaders APS Bomet.
Sisi kama wachezaji pia tunafanya tu ni kazi yetu tunafaa kufanya. Sisi ni wachezaji. So sidhani kama ni pressure. So hata kama ni positive, unajua kuna negative pressure na positive pressure. So hii ni positive pressure. So tushajua yuko ashawakilisha upande wake.
Soon getting into the second leg of the NSL. We're confident that we are going to go to the Premier League. We've also met new players who have joined us. And so it's just excitement and sitting and bonding as a family. Yes, I've told them to be resilient, to stay strong, to never give up, to take care of each other, to be kind.
Anthony Davis and LeBron James combined for 61 points as part of double-double.